There are many benefits to using a nested if function in Excel, with one of the main ones being the ability to work with data that may have missing inputs. This mock data consists of 16 students and shows the grade they received on an exam. I want to have Excel display who passed the exam, who failed, and who hasn't taken it yet. While this could be done manually, on a large scale, the nested if function saves us lots of time. First, I will create an if function checking to see if the cell to the left contains no value. In the logical test portion, I put B2, our cell to the left, equals open close quotation marks, meaning it is empty. In the true portion, I put, quote, no value entered, close quotation mark, meaning that when this cell to the left, B2, has no value, we will output no value entered. In the false portion, I create another if statement, nested inside of the first one, that references the same cell to the left, B2. However, this time I am looking for pass or fail values. I'll say that anything over or equal to a 75 is a pass. Thus, my logical test is B2 greater than or equal to 75. The true value will be, quote, pass, and the false value will be, quote, fail. Then I can close my parentheses and simply drag down this function, which applies this formula dynamically changing B2 for each of our specific B values. Now, Excel is showing us whether each student has passed, failed, or if we have no value entered for that respective student.